Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial. It's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics here, and today we're based in Adobe XD. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you two ways of how to create a mask in Adobe XD. What I've done is I've placed an image already on a page that I've set up in Adobe XD already. And what I'd like to do now is create a mask. What I'm going to use is my ellipse tool here. And I'm going to want to center from the middle. So I'm going to press Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows. And what I'm going to do then is press Shift also, because I want a nice, proportionate, perfect ellipse. Wonderful. Now, as you can see, the mask object is above the image, and that is the procedure that you need to make sure you are aware of, okay? The shape, the mask needs to be in front of the image. Now what I'm going to do using my selection tool is select both the shape and the image. And I'm going to use the shortcut Command Shift M on Mac or Control Shift M on Windows to create my mask. As simple as that. Now, if you want to edit the contents within the mask, all you simply need to do with your selection tool is double click, and then you're able to manipulate what's inside the mask. Okay, so that is the first way of how to create a mask within Adobe XD. Now what I'd like to do is show you the second way, okay? So basically what you can do is draw the shape first, and then simply click and drag the photo or the image within inside the shape that you create. So what I'm going to do now is use my pen tool, like so, and I'm going to create a shape like so. What we're going to do is just make this a little bit cleaner. Let's say something like so. Okay. And now with that selected, with my selection tool, that shape here, what I'm going to do now is go to my Finder option, and I'm going to got an image here that I'm going to click and drag. Now, if I click and drag that onto the path, as you can see, I've now created that mask there, and I've placed an image within inside of my shape that I've created. And there you go, guys. That is the two ways of how to apply a mask within Adobe XD. If you're interested in finding out more about Blue Sky Graphics, the courses that we offer, please visit our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, as well, take a look at our Instagram, Blue Sky Graphics UK. Some really cool work on there. And we have tutorials that come out on a weekly basis, focusing around Photoshop, InDesign, Illustrator, Adobe XD, Elementor. We have a wide range. So please, please, please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.